2025 Suzuki Omni Mini van presents a simple yet functional design in its front side view, retaining its classic boxy shape while integrating subtle modern touches. The front fascia showcases a broad, angular grille flanked by compact, trapezoidal headlights that add a touch of sleekness to the otherwise utilitarian structure. The grille itself is minimalist, featuring thin horizontal slats, enhancing the vehicle's straightforward appearance without overcomplicating its design. The bumper is modest, offering a solid foundation to the front, with air intakes that provide both aesthetic balance and necessary ventilation. The bonnet is relatively flat, with subtle creases adding to its structure and providing a modernized look. The front windshield is large, offering excellent visibility for both the driver and passengers, an important factor in a vehicle designed for city commuting or small business usage. The body is designed with practicality in mind, ensuring that the van is easy to navigate in tight spaces while still offering ample interior room. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki Omni's front side view is a blend of traditional functionality and modern styling, making it an ideal choice for those looking for a reliable, no-frills minivan that meets both personal and commercial needs. The design stands out for its emphasis on practicality and efficiency, rather than extravagant styling. The interior side view of the 2025 Suzuki Omni Mini van is all about simplicity and practicality, with a functional design that prioritizes comfort and utility. The cabin features a spacious, open layout, with ample headroom and legroom that make it suitable for both passengers and cargo. The side panels are designed with durability in mind, using easy-to-clean materials that can withstand wear and tear, especially in a vehicle often used for commercial purposes. Large windows on the side provide excellent visibility and create an airy, light-filled cabin, enhancing the overall sense of space. The sliding doors offer easy access to the interior, making it convenient for passengers to get in and out, especially in tight spaces or busy urban environments. The seats are simple but comfortable, offering enough support for long drives or city commutes. The side armrests and grab handles add extra comfort and security, making the interior feel more user-friendly. While the design is basic and lacks high-end features or luxurious finishes, it serves its purpose well, offering a no-nonsense approach to transport. The 2025 Suzuki Omni's interior side view is not about lavish details, but about providing a practical, durable, and comfortable space for everyday use, whether for family trips or small business operations. The back side view of the 2025 Suzuki Omni Mini van continues its practical and utilitarian design, with a focus on functionality rather than aesthetic extravagance. The rear features a large, vertical tailgate that opens wide, providing easy access to the van's cargo area. This is particularly useful for loading and unloading, especially when carrying larger or bulkier items, which is a common use case for this type of vehicle. The taillights are rectangular and positioned on either side of the tailgate, offering a clean and straightforward look that complements the vehicle's overall boxy silhouette. The rear bumper is low and wide, designed for ease of access and practicality, especially when stepping in and out of the vehicle or loading cargo. The rear window is large, improving rear visibility for the driver, a critical feature for safety when reversing or parking. While the design lacks some of the flair seen in more luxury-oriented vehicles, the focus is squarely on reliability and efficiency. The back side view of the 2025 Suzuki Omni reflects its role as a practical, no-frills vehicle, ideal for city driving and commercial use, with a robust, simple layout that emphasizes ease of use and durability over style. It's a workhorse that doesn't prioritize looks but offers dependable performance for daily tasks.